Hey friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look in the business. How to start a lamination paper manufacturing business. When we talk about lamination paper, it refers to a type of paper that is used for lamination. Lamination is typically applied to fiberboard or other particles to provide an aesthetically pleasing and durable surface. They are then used as furniture, decorative panels, and flooring. Furthermore, the laminate can have a single layer or multiple layers, with each layer serving a distinct purpose. Most of the time, it is particle or fiberboard. Lamination improves the print material's durability, so that they can be used continuously for an extended period of time. This material is protected from a variety of damages such as fingerprints, blemishes, stains, tears, wrinkles, marks, abrasions, oil, dirt, moisture, water, grease, and so on. In other words, it shields the material from them. The color of the ink in the printed material is enhanced by lamination. As a result, the material written or printed in it is clearly visible. This gives the printed material a more professional appearance while also adding strength and leaving an impression of high quality and importance. Market demand of lamination paper. Laminating base paper is an important material used in the production of aluminum laminated paper, which is primarily used for packaging and wrapping chocolate and other food items. Sketches and pouches are two of the most common uses for laminating base paper. Laminating base paper not only adds strength to the aluminum laminated paper, but it also creates a smooth surface, making the printing process easier and simpler. Papers used in chemical reactions are not suitable for direct contact with food products. This is due to the fact that they can cause a variety of health issues for the end user. This is why the laminating base paper is coated with aluminum on at least one side, to make it suitable for applications such as food packaging. This type of lamination paper, also known as laminating base paper, is primarily used in food packaging. As a result, demand for laminating base paper is expected to rise in international markets. The food packaging industry, by the way, is a major user of laminating base paper. And as this industry grows, so does the demand for lamination paper in both domestic and global markets. Do market research for lamination paper. As we all know, lamination paper is used to securing various important documents, so that they can be kept safe for a long time. Aside from these, it has come to light that the food packaging industry is the largest customer of laminating base paper. As a result, the area in which the entrepreneur must begin this business to begin, there may be a need to determine the number of food packaging companies, lamination centers, and so on in that area. As a result, he will be able to assess the demand for lamination paper in that area based on their number. Aside from that, the entrepreneur must evaluate the business's competitiveness in that market. In addition, the plan may need to be implemented in order to deal with competition. Space for lamination paper manufacturing business. Any entrepreneur, whether he is starting any business, must have a need for a place or a building. Therefore, to start lamination paper manufacturing, the entrepreneur needs space. But to start this type of business on a small scale, only 200 to 300 square feet of space is required, instead of requiring huge space. It is also not necessary for the entrepreneur to start this business in a crowded or busy area. Rather, the entrepreneur can start his business from wherever he can find a cheap place or shop in that area. Further, provided that there is proper arrangement of road, electricity and water. Apart from this, while renting a place or shop, make sure to get the rent agreement and more, so that it can be used as a business address proof if needed. Investment for lamination paper manufacturing business. This type of business can be started very easily in the beginning by planning to hire a couple of workers. The investment required in this business will also be determined by the size of the entrepreneur's business. If you want to start this business from the lower level, then you need around 10 lakh. Or, if you start on a large scale, then 40 to 50 lakh rupees will be required. Work can be done for less money if you own your own land, but if you rent or buy land, you must invest more. As a result, anyone can start this business. However, if a person has prior experience in this field, if he does this, his chances of success in the lamination paper manufacturing business increase dramatically. Licensing and registration for lamination paper manufacturing. If the entrepreneur wants, he can start this business even by starting his business as a proprietorship firm in the initial phase. Because it does not necessitate the entrepreneur to complete a large number of formalities during the registration process. In addition, for the lamination manufacturing business, the entrepreneur may need to register for GST, obtain a trade license from the local authority, register for the enterprise portal, and register for the MSME data bank, among other things. If the entrepreneur prefers, he can complete this process online. Machinery and raw materials for lamination paper manufacturing. As far as the machine used in the manufacture of lamination paper is concerned, generally, two types of machinery are used in this process. 1. Roll-to-roll sheet machine. This type of machine is also used for laminating paper plates and paper cups. 2. Sheet-to-roll sheet machine. This type of machine is also used for laminating sweet boxes, clothes boxes and more. These machines are used for laminating different types of paper products with the help of raw materials. With the help of these machines, processes like rolling and laminating and can be completed easily in no time. As far as the raw material in manufacturing lamination paper is concerned, paper, plastic, polythene and glue are mainly used to make it. The entrepreneur can easily buy the machine and raw material used in this business from a local or any online supplier. The manufacturing process of lamination paper. It is a very easy process to manufacture lamination paper by means of a machine. In this process, paper is introduced as a raw material from one end of the machine. After that, a thin plastic film is also fitted in the machine parallel to the paper from the same end of the machine. And after that, glue is put in the machine, and the roll-to-roll process starts. The finished product is then ready to be placed in the die. By means of a die, it can be easily converted into various shapes. Marketing for the lamination paper business. The lamination paper is a widely used product in India. You can explore the market that is spread across the country. There are several strategies you can pursue when marketing lamination paper products such as lamination paper rolls. In India, you can turn to the dealers who sell food packaging related items in the wholesale market or raw materials for making lamination paper. The strategy that you need to implement is also based on your manufacturing capabilities. And you can reach retailers large and small in your local market. And also marketing your lamination paper in advertisements through television or in the newspapers. We hope in this lamination paper manufacturing business video will help you in initiating your own business. If you like in this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, friends. For more business ideas, find in our channel video playlist and subscribe to New Business Ideas.